Hello everyone and happy Thursday. It's Lindsay here with a Thredup unboxing for you tonight. We're going to be opening a Thredup 15-piece mixed jewelry. I actually just received this one yesterday. I believe I ordered it the week before. So it's brand new and of course came from Mechanicsburg. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube, also Poshmark and The RealReal. And I post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. I may or may not insert a little sterling sale during this video. It's been very hectic here getting the new kitty acclimated. I did share some photos of him in last Thursday's video. And, you know, he is just so active and really keeps us on our toes. It's been so long since I've had a young cat that you kind of forget the amount of attention they need. But he is super sweet and doing great. And I will definitely be, you know, posting him in some of my videos, you know, once he calms down a little bit. But let's go ahead and get this box open and see what we got. My last one was not amazing, but the one prior to that, I did get that really heavy sterling cuff bracelet in it. So I'm going to continue to pick these up because they do have potential. And this box has a little weight to it, so hopefully we got some good things in here. These boxes do run $60 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And I will be offering items for sale during the video. So if you see anything that you would like to purchase, just send me an email. That will be here on the screen. I just need your mailing address if you've never bought from me before, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. All right, so here's a first look. Everything is in this bag here individually wrapped. So we're gonna make sure that we got 15 pieces before we get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We did. So I am already seeing some good items in here. Some J. Crew, Kate Spade, new on the card. So let's dive in and see what we got. First up is a bracelet, and this honestly looks brand new. It is gold tone with clear rhinestones. Very elegant piece. This is Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren, I should say. They make some beautiful jewelry, and this would be, you know, really nice stacked up. That is so pretty. So let me get a size on this one. It is sitting in at a size 7. And it's not adjustable, so it does just have the one hook. You could certainly add an extender on it if you wanted, but it cannot go smaller. But that is beautiful. Let's do $12 on the Ralph Lauren. That is an amazing piece. And our next item is new with Tay, and it is some pearls. These are Honora Freshwater Collection, made in China. I am not familiar with that brand. So it's got like the little push-in clasp. So I'm doing the research to edit the video now, and I did notice that the clasp on this necklace is marked 14K. And I don't know if I'll be able to show it there on the screen. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. But it is marked 14K there. So I'm going to go ahead and test this one so we can make sure that that is real 14K. But this is a beautiful necklace. So So got a pretty good scratch there and my 14 karat gold acid. And I'm gonna let that sit up while I do some more editing, and then we'll come back and check on that one. But that is a great find. So I'll be back shortly so we can check on that acid. So great news that 14K is still holding. I'm so glad I checked out that clasp. What an amazing piece. I will put info on the screen about that beauty. Really beautiful set of pearls. And they do have kind of like a matte tone to them. Really pretty. I will put a price on the screen for that one. I'll look up that brand, but they are genuine pearls. And a really nice clasp on there. So that is another great item that would look very nice with the bracelet as well. And our next piece is this necklace here. This is branded, and it is, let's see here if I can read that. Antica Harina. I feel like I've seen this before, but I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look that up. But it looks like just silver tone, and then these gorgeous glass beads. There's blue and kind of like a silver. And this one also is in excellent condition. It looks brand new. And there's no exposed chain. It has little seed beads as the spacers that goes all the way up to the clasp and extender. So that is such a fun piece for summer. So I will look that up and put a price on the screen as well for that. And we have a ring here, or yeah, they're all connected, which is cool. It's mixed metal. This is really pretty. They have little rhinestones on them. That is so fun. So let me see if this is marked. I don't see any branding on that. I assume this is not precious metal. They're not magnetic, so I'll check that over a little bit better and put a price on the screen. But those are really pretty. I definitely wouldn't mind keeping those either. And I apologize, my fingers are a little torn up at the moment. Just been doing a lot of work around the house. So next up is this bracelet. And this is really cool. It's got like these spiral designs with these black stones. And I don't believe there are any markings on this one, but definitely need to check it out closer. And that one is not magnetic. But I don't see markings, but I will check it over. It definitely looks like a substantial piece. So I'll see what I can find out about that one. If there is any sterling to test, I will do that at the end of the video. And our next piece is a Simply Vera Wang. This is the Kohl's Diffusion line. And this is a gunmetal silver and then these gorgeous emerald green rhinestones. Just going to try to set it out flat here. In, you know, recent Thredup boxes, there has been craft pieces and we are missing a stone. So that is very sad because this is beautiful. And it is not in the bag. So we're missing one there. And so we're missing 2 rhinestones. So, I mean, if anybody would want this, you might be able to harvest one from the back of the necklace and move it forward. but you know, it's pretty noticeable with them there. So if anybody would like this one, I'll just do $2 on it. That is a bummer. Definitely not acceptable for these boxes based on the cost. Next up, we have a bracelet, and this is really pretty. This is Cara, New York, and this is a good brand. I have gotten that before. Really beautiful clear rhinestones, and then like some chain detailing through it. And it is on this leather backing, and then fabric on the inside, really soft. And it looks like this one is in great condition. It does have 2 adjustments on there. Really funky piece. This one, so the biggest size is a size 7, or it can be adjusted on the smaller one. So this is a really nice piece. Let's do $10 on that one. Love that. And our next item is another necklace here. And that is really pretty. Kind of like I wouldn't say that that's an amethyst color because it's a really deep purple, like almost a blue. Really pretty. And it does have a knot in it. That should be pretty easy to get out, I assume. Just kind of with the extender. I've been noticing that too in the recent boxes. They have had tangles in them, which is also annoying. All right, so I need to work on getting that untangled. This is also not magnetic, but I don't see any markings. So I'm going to check that one out, and I'll put info on the screen about that one as well. And our next piece are new on the card, Kate Spade. And these are I guess kind of a rose gold color, roses. Really pretty. And they are brand new on the card. They are the Garden, Garland, and Rose Gold. There's no retail price on those, but they are beautiful. We'll do $12 on the earrings. Always love getting Kate Spade. And our next piece are some more earrings. And these ones are snakes. If I can get them untangled there. Really cute the way they stick out on your ear. Very lightweight, and they do have a lot of detail on the snake. And they do need to have new backers put on. And I don't see any markings on those ones. They are magnetic. We'll do $5 on the snake earrings, and I will put new backers on there for you. Those are nice. And our next piece are more earrings. And these are like a hammered gold tone, kind of door knocker style post back. And I don't believe these ones are signed. Really cute, just everyday earrings. We'll just do $5 on those ones. I don't see any maker's mark, but they are in really good shape. And our next item are some J. Crew earrings. I believe I have a pair of these already that I have for sale. I think these are the Golden Blossom earrings. So there is a matte metallic gold and then clear rhinestones. And they are on like I guess kind of like a leather backer. And Mark J. Crew there. And they're in nice condition. We'll do $10 on these. They are not overly heavy. So a really pretty earring for summer. Very nice. And ooh, we got some Brighton. This is really cute. Bracelet with the heart. And then it does have the multi-layer cord there, kind of like a wax cord. And this one is in like new condition. And it does have a bit of adjustment to it. I'll put it on the largest one to measure, but it can go smaller. And the largest size on that one can be 7.5, and then it goes smaller. I'll look that one up and put a price on the screen, but it is in great condition. So I do love getting Brighton. That is a solid item. Lots of branded pieces in the box, so very happy about that. And next up we have these really dainty drop earrings. And they do have a Rivoli cut stone. And it is just the stone on there, so really pretty. And I believe these ones are marked. They are marked S925. I don't see any other markings on there. So I will test those ones, but they are beautiful. I love how it's just the stone. So super simple, but they give a lot of shine. They are magnetic, so they are a faker. There's a random piece of string there. And I think we're down to our last piece. And this is a necklace, and it is marked. It says ink alloy. No clue on that one. I've never heard of that. So it's a toggle clasp, and it's on a fabric type of cord, really sturdy. And then it is a rug necklace coming down into these beautiful metallic seed beads. So a really nice piece. It looks like it would sit up pretty high on the neck. Yeah, so it is kind of just a collar necklace, and then it does drape down. So it looks like it is really well made, very sturdy fabric and a nice clasp. So that is a great piece. I will look up that brand and put info on the screen. So overall, I think this was still a really good box. Let's move everything out of the way, and I'm going to recap what we got and make sure that we got everything unpackaged here. So we had this really fun bracelet for 1, 2, the snake earrings, 3, the mixed metal ring, 4, we had the pearls, 5, the beautiful Ralph Lauren bracelet, 6, the Kate Spade, 7 with the J. Crew earrings, 8 with the glass bead necklace, 9 with the door knocker earrings, 10 with the cuff bracelet, 11 with the Brighton, 12 with the beaded rug necklace, 13 with the drop earrings, 14 with the Vera craft necklace, and 15 with the necklace. I don't think that this is going to be any precious metal, but it's still very pretty. And the retail price on this one was $38. So overall, I'm very happy with the box. I love that Ralph Lauren bracelet. The Kate Spade is great. I really love these mixed metal rings too. So hopefully I can find out something good about that bracelet. And I think that I can make a profit on this box. I will continue to pick these up when they are available. They are still super difficult to get. But I do enjoy these. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back on Monday with a brand new video. Take care.